atoms, elements, the ingredients of life. The taste of the universe is never still. They are ever-changing, constantly evolving, and we at Pete Sasa Inti will give you a taste of them. For more than half a century, we have provided a variety of flavors that life can always savor. To achieve those great feats, our company must embody the DNA that instills golden values, values that reflect us well as part of Indonesia's proud heritage. Rich with omega-3, vitamins, minerals, and proteins, now what you eat becomes what you need. As pioneers for nutritious and healthy food products, we always innovate for a better quality of life. This shows within the rising numbers and numerous awards, because we believe that what we give will eventually return. Our revenue from 2019 until now have consistently increased, and so has our growth, which is now more than 2 times over Indonesia's very own GDP. The negative perception of MSG has also been mostly abated, proving that the people around us are not only becoming smarter, but also better informed. For we live within the community, and the community live within us. And understanding this strong connection will bring us closer to achieving our mission to bring happiness through nutritious foods that can be simply prepared. With excellent use of state-of-the-art technology, scientific research, and the finest of ingredients, we are able to consistently produce quality food products. We care about our consumers. We care about you. For even if the universe is vast, and even if time changes things, kindness will still remain. Making Indonesia and the world healthier together.